Traders, welcome to our brand new day trading team house. This time around, we're here in Phoenix, Arizona to spend the next 8 days at this beautiful estate. In the background, you guys can see we have some lovely toys. This house in itself is over 7,500 square feet, but we are not here to brag. Instead, we're here to show you what can be done once you cross to the other side and become profitable. We have some of the best traders in the world here, Tim, Marcelo.
Yeah, I mean, we're literally living proof that if you have an edge in the market, you can make a lot of money. Just 2 years ago myself, I didn't even have $100,000 in profits, and now over $1 million thanks to these guys right here.
So here in this video, we're going to do two things. We're going to give you an impressive tour of this $7 million mansion, and we're also going to show you 10 of the best traders that are living and trading alongside us. Check it out.
Out of those 10 traders, 2 are our beautiful students, Enzo and Jude. Enzo, who has recently turned the corner and now seeing some consistency, and Jude, who is going process over profits, working to get to the other side with his small share size. So throughout this trip, we're gonna do a lot of study sessions and really and truly help him out to get to that next level.
Yeah, so right now the boys are setting up. Tomorrow's Monday, which means 9:30 open here Eastern time. So we gotta get everything tested, ready to go. It's gonna be good to set the tone, especially if it's hot. We're gonna go in, knock it out. One day could pay for the entire trip, so we wanna be serious, professional, and do our due diligence.
And if it stopped, oh, you son of a, well, never mind. I'm gonna hit my hotkey by accident. I got caught with size there. It's a good trade though.
This is key for trading success. You must keep the red days small. $61 is small. Last Friday, I made $15,000. With a profit or loss ratio like that, it's impossible to lose. So I'm walking away. I'm done.
So right now we're gonna go greet the chef and just say hi, because we're all in the other house while they're in the main house. Good morning. How you doing?
Good.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
All right, guys, right now the boys are in the backyard enjoying themselves. A bit of a slow day in the markets, so this is exactly what we needed. If you guys come this way, you'll see Save hanging out. We got Tim and Enzo on the grill, really getting it done with some burgers, some hot dogs. They got the cheese, everything. They got the planes going by. I mean, it's just a beautiful scenery. What can we say? We love what we do, and as we mentioned, it's not about bragging, but all about knowing that this is what you can do when you get to the other side. Bro, you want it? Nah, you want it like a lame wave, man. That's shit, dude. Yeah, bro. I overtraded, I overstayed my welcome. You know, ultimately, the setups that I did trade where I ended up going red on were good quality setups, but the market was slow and it was telling me, hey, get green, get out. And I didn't follow through and through, and I ended up giving it back. Now I'm red 177. Granted, it's not a big red day, but we could have walked away at our highest plus 450.
So trading Tesla, right? If you take a look at the daily chart, I'll show you something unprecedented. Tesla is down over 50% from its highs. And look at what I'm doing. What I'm doing is buying. Everybody else is selling and buying. I'm looking for, of course, a reversal. Right now, I'm under the weather. I'm feeling the pain, down $34,000. But that's unrealized profit. You rewatch this video in a year from now and imagine where my shares are sitting at. It's gonna be huge. So just keep watching.
Look to your left again. The guy is down 10,000 on the same stock. We're getting murdered.
No, bro.
In better news, there's no better news.
Watch out, the furious. Better be focused. Listen to the well funk. Then it goes a little something.
All right, guys, after a successful trading day, we had some great breakfast. We did a lot of hanging out by the pool. We had a good time, some pickleball. Now we're here for some lunch at a beautiful spot called Evo here in Scottsdale, Arizona. So we got on the road, a bit of a drive. Now we're here to enjoy a good meal. Let's get to it. All right, right, guys. Right now we're at the bowling alley with the team. All the guys there. We're looking to get right. Pretty early in the game on the scoreboard, but very soon we're gonna see who is the best bowler out of the team house. Very successful day of bowling. Currently Tuesday. We're gonna dial in for Wednesday morning. Hopefully we can see some heat in the market. That way the boys can get green on the week. Right now it's been a little bit slow, but awesome time so far. Great experience. It's all about team bonding, team building. Right now we're gonna go home, have a study session, and then get ready for tomorrow. All right, guys, so we're gonna have a study session right now. We're gonna dial in a good session. So we had Tim with a 10K day, Mighty with a 10K day, Save with a 15 to 30K day. We're gonna see how the boys got it done on the big screen. So it's all about studying, reviewing, and being better for the next day. So we're gonna dial it in. The goal is to improve. So let's get to it.
No time, gotta go, left out and me my song.
Plan for today is to manage risk. Tuesday I went off the rails, went outside my strategy, but today we're going to manage risk. We're going to take those opportunities.
Had a little continuation play going on. Finally had some momentum yesterday. 150% mover. After hours had a nice move, which we thought would be the case. So we're here, knowing how it traded yesterday. Going to see how it trades today. It could be different, but if not, we're going to print just like we did yesterday. A little bit smoother because I struggled. So going to try to clean it up a little bit today.
Keep on, but I got it now. I found my crowd now. I might just deep, y'all can catch me when I leave out. If I leave it and I go, you just think it, but I know.
Oh, nice. Okay. Oh, no.
No. Oh. Yeah, I'm out.
Nice.
Yeah, that's it.
Oh, bro, I just got murdered.
Don't you collapse? Don't you collapse? Don't you
I
collapse?
was in at like near $4. I sold before this pop.
Having a level that's set and a breakout level that you're looking at, that definitely helps. Like chasing here doesn't make sense, but chasing under the lower what do you call this? The lower consolidation is better risk management than like just chasing this one, because like you're just gonna chop yourself.
Yeah.
So identifying those levels is important, especially in this market. Look at this. You tried to break the under 380, it didn't, and squeeze back to like, I don't know, 5, it did. Same thing right here. Imagine like this right here. Like I don't know what the level it is, but I'm not gonna chase it right here. So I'll wait for a candle or 2. So now I know what level it is. So
What the consolidation level
yeah,
is.
so you can make an assumption that it's gonna try to hold like under 490, and even if it dip a little bit down there, like you need to see how it reacts to it, because like it might dip a little bit there, but if it dips down there and you see that there's buyers that is stepping up, yeah, I mean that's like telling that there's some bidders that trying to prop it up, and it happened here. And there you go. It breaks that another level. Yeah, so sort of. So I let the chart dictate what the breakout spots is. I'm not assuming that it's gonna I mean, except if it's a psychological level, obviously. Yeah. If it's like a $50 or a whole dollar, yeah, that's obvious like resistance. But like when it already did the move, I'm just waiting patiently to make like to let the chart dictate what the breakout spots is. Yeah, then I'll wait like a candle or 2. Yeah, and where the bidders are. I see. And once you identify those things, you could play off the risks and where the levels are. Yeah, what you need to look at for the breakouts.
I'm trying my best to stay composed, but it's always tough when you catch losses.
CRVO.
But so far so good. We are in the green and we are sitting on hands waiting for the next equality setup to come. I just got an alert, so I think it's coming up. So I made $3,000 in one trade.
leave it, then I go.
That I'll never lose against myself. After that day, there was like a lot of clarity, came back in, finally like accepted that the market is bigger than me.
Great experience, man. We got Alex be the story. I mean, just awesome guy, great person. Glad to have him around, man. So we've done a ton of podcasts today, ton of videos. You guys are gonna see them soon over the next couple of months. Stay tuned, man. Stay tuned. All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the show. Tonight I'm checking in to give you guys a little quick recap. It was a great day today. We ended up trading well. I think most of the boys did well today. Let's see, it's about 9 p.m. Arizona time. We just got back from a nice dinner where we all had burgers. It's a nice place. The place was nice, can't lie. But right now we're debating whether we should go to the casino or not so we can see what's going on. But other than that, everything looking good. It's the yard off. Good morning, guys. What's up? What's up? Today's the last day of the day trading team house. Last trading day, that is. We still have Saturday to go hang out, have some fun, but today's the last trading day. And we have ticker symbol GV, which is moving up. We also have RGC continuation, light volume. So we're hoping to have some good action today so that we can end off strong and say farewell to a great week. So the plan will be for me to take it slow into the open, just give it time, make sure that it's good. And then from there, I can get aggressive if it really is strong, giving that continuation. If not, we ease off and we see what it does. So look right here, bottoming wick, right? Bit of a bottoming wick below that level. That's a fair sign early to see how this thing is gonna do. But yeah, that's the plan today. Slow and steady, and we'll see how it does.
So after trading for a full week in the day trading team house, I'm going to show you what is possible here in my day trading metrics. Come check it out. So on Friday was a bit of a slower day, but risk management is paramount. So look, on the day that the setups weren't working, on the days that the pullbacks weren't bouncing, I kept my losses very tight, only lost $61. Day number 2 on Tuesday, I was able to make $1,300. My biggest winner on the week, $10,000 in ticker symbol CRVO. This is a stock that went from $2 per share all the way up to $7 per share, a 300% intermove, and of course as a hyper scalper, I thrive in volatility. I buy high, I sell higher, and I kept on rinsing, repeating that from $2 a share all the way up to $7 a share. So that was pretty good. Then on Thursday, on Friday, slowing down here in the week, not much momentum, but at the very least I was able to close the day with some profit. $1,900 on Thursday, $2,000 today here just now on ticker symbol BON. As you can see, I've made $3,000 just in this stock alone. The big setup on this was this clean 1 minute pullback. As you can see, we had a fall away, a bit of a retracement. I bought around 10,000 shares here on this bottoming wick, and then I was selling to the spike. And then the second biggest winner was a reversal trade. After falling from such an extension from $3 per share all the way down to $190, I thought we were bound to see a relief bounce. So I bought another 10,000 shares at $190 and was selling at around $220. So that gave me that profit. I had a loss on another stock earlier, but overall, $16,000. It's pretty solid, and especially for doing in the traveling trading session, pretty much living the dream. All the guys here are green as well. Everybody's traveling and trading. This is the lifestyle.
Just about flat actually on the week. It's a flat week for me. As mentioned on Tuesday, Wednesday, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, I overtraded, giving back gains. So because of that, we actually ended the week flat. But we did do a good job managing risks. I think there's a lot of things we can take away. It's always a bit of a different environment trading inside of the team house. It's a little bit more rowdy. It's a little bit more loud. And sometimes you can fall victim to FOMO, right? And I overstayed my welcome a few times, giving back good gains. But all in all, happy with the week. Looking forward to hitting Monday hard, knowing that I'm coming from this level of greatness here. It's going to be exciting to hit the road and just have that motivation and that encouragement, just boosting you forward to go harder, study more, trade better. And so I'm looking forward to finishing out the rest of the month. I'm aiming for a 30K green day, so just know that that's coming soon. We are at a very depthsy location for dinner, but sometimes they say the hole in the wall spots are the best. So we're here to try out something new, and it's a nice, beautiful spot here. We're gonna get some food. We're gonna see how it goes. We got all the boys over there.
Remember all your green days that we collected yesterday?
Yeah.
If you would have started slow on the green days, maybe you would have made slightly less on each green day, right?
Yeah.
But then I would think that you would have guaranteed that your red days would not be an instant max loss after every trade.
Yeah.
So you know how Ross sometimes says that he starts slow and builds a $1,000 cushion or whatever?
Yeah.
You can do something like that. Like you start slow with half size so that you gauge the market without risking max loss in the first 3 candles.
Yeah.
And then if it's going bad, you keep it small. And if it starts going well, it's like, okay, this might be one of my green days, and then you precise.
The new generation is here, man.
The new 5-minute candle comes in or a new 1-minute candle comes in, it seems like volume is beginning to come in like right as those candles start.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's one of those things that when a new candle opens, it can't stay flat, right?
Yeah.
You have to pick whether it's going to be a red or a green candle.
Yeah.
And that usually has its own little burst of volume, either to the upside or downside.
Mm-hmm.
What you have to catch is when it's a baby candle flat, where is that burst going to be on?
Yeah.
To the upside or to the downside?
Right, watch this.
At the end of the day, 9 out of 10 traders fail. And if everybody else is trying to trade a pattern, everybody else is trying to follow an indicator, everybody else is trying to do exactly what everybody else does, then guess what? Everybody's going to stay a failing trader. At the end of the day, profitability comes after you understand that the market is a zero-sum game. Somebody else has to lose for you to win. And only when you start thinking against the herd, only when you start doing the opposite of what everybody else is doing, only then you have a chance to profitability. You have to be able to think outside the box, use your brain. If everybody else is doing this, do the opposite. And slowly but surely, hopefully you're gonna find your own edge in the market.
This is what millionaire traders do on the weekend. A lot of relaxation, review, and getting ready for that next week. So since we are together here, we're gonna enjoy the fruits of our labor here, enjoy how many years we put into this craft, and kind of have a little bit of downtime. Because we used to not let ourselves have any at all, and now it's beautiful to be able to do this with a group, networking, growing, because your network equals your net worth. We'll see you there.
Yes, that's very true. So if you guys want to get in tune and involved with us, be sure to check out those live streams that are going down every weekday morning at 9:15 a.m. See you there.